So a while back, I brought you a video on a music tool called Tunee AI, and even then, it was obvious that Tunee was a serious creative tool. Well, it's only been a few weeks, and Tunee AI has already released an update that isn't just another feature. It's a complete game changer for music creators. It has evolved from a powerful music maker into a total production powerhouse, covering everything from the initial track creation to full-scale music video generation and visual storytelling in one single interface. Because here's the harsh reality: you can generate the most incredible song in the world, but if you upload it to TikTok or YouTube with a static image, it's probably going to die. The algorithm just doesn't care. In today's world, people don't just listen with their ears, they listen with their eyes. If your screen isn't moving and telling a story, they're scrolling past you in 2 seconds. But making a real music video is a total nightmare. You need a crew, actors, locations, expensive lighting, and a massive budget that most of us just don't have. And that is exactly why Tunee AI has launched a brand new music video tool, right inside the same platform. It's designed specifically to align visuals with your music, and they've rebuilt this entire experience around a new core idea: the virtual artist agent. So today, we're putting it to the test. We're going to create a hit pop song, define its artist, and let the Tunee agent create a music video for it, all within the same platform. Let's get into it. Every great music video needs a hit track to start with. So first, we're heading over to Tunee's music section to generate a bass song as the foundation of our video. I'm thinking of something high energy, with a clear rhythm. So here we are in Tunee's incredibly clean dashboard, inside the music section. And I'm just going to type a prompt here: an upbeat, catchy pop dance song with powerful female vocals. Clear rhythm. The theme is about taking over the city at night. I'm enabling fast mode this time, and hit create. Tunee does its thing, analyzes the request, and generates a full track with lyrics. Let's hear what we're working with. That's a banger. Catchy, the vocals are crisp, and the energy is exactly what we need. Now that we have the track, it's time to create a music video for the song. Let's head over to the brand new video studio from the left sidebar. Here we are. Just like the music section, the interface here is also very clean. Here in the drop-down menu, we can select what we're going to create. We have one-click music video, freestyle music video, motion control, and shorts. That's a lot of options, but for this demo, I'm going with one-click music video. Here we have a button to upload the music input, and from there, you can pick a song from your Tunee library, upload audio from your device, or choose a song from Tunee's hot picks. Now, before we use the track we just made, here's something worth noting for anyone who already has a library of AI music from other platforms. If you've got tracks you love that are still sitting around as static audio files, you can upload them into Tunee and give them a high-end cinematic identity. I'll just select that pop track we made from the Tunee library. And now, we can choose the portion of the song we want to create the music video from. I'm going to select from the verse to the chorus as the portion, and now it's loaded in. Next, we choose our artist. This right here is the game changer for these videos. Usually with AI, you get a random person every single time. But with Tunee, you pick an identity and stick with it across all your videos. Here, we have the artist library. You can see a huge range of personas here: photorealistic artists, male and female, chic looks, different hair colors, and even different ethnicities. We also have personas in cartoon and anime styles as well to choose from. Since we have a pop song, I'm going with Raven here. She has that high-fashion pop star look that fits perfectly. So, we have the input song, we have the artist, one-click MV is selected, everything looks good, so let's hit create. This is where it gets wild. Tunee doesn't just spit out a video. It actually builds what feels like a virtual creative team to pitch you ideas. Up top, you see the MV Creative Blueprint. The AI, acting as a kind of chief creative, has analyzed our song's BPM, the instruments, and even the visual imagery inside the lyrics. Based on that, it's giving us 3 professional creative directions. Creative 1 is a studio lip-sync concept matching the artist. Creative 2 is a dynamic Y2K style shoot. And Creative 3 is a 70s coral chrome concept. This is true collaboration. I'm not just guessing. I'm choosing from a professional pitch. I always love retro visuals, so I'm going to go with creative number 3 here, instead of focusing on matching the artist directly. This will let the AI decide on the visual elements according to this particular concept. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 and select multiple scenes. And here we go. Look at this breakdown on the screen. It has mapped out our music structure, from the verse to the chorus, and written a specific visual description for every segment. It's literally acting like a director, making sure the visuals match the track we just made. If we scroll down, we can see the visual assets and the storyboard designed by the AI story director. You can see exactly what the camera is going to do in each element of the music video before you even spend your final credits. And if you want anything here adjusted further, you can click on this Modify button and describe your vision. This level of pre-production is something that used to take a whole team days to coordinate. Here, it happened within a couple of minutes. Everything looks great, so I'm going to hit continue. Look at this next screen. It's explaining exactly how it's going to convert our 70s concept into a final visual style. It's even giving us a bio for our artist and a breakdown of the street glow and night stage scenes it's about to render. We have our artist, Raven, now looking very different from the Asian character we chose initially after being adapted into the coral chrome style. And the 2 location scenes, street glow and night stage, seem to be hitting the vibe perfectly. This is what I mean when I say it's a virtual artist agent. It's not just generating pixels, it's building a brand. It has handled the scouting, the lighting, the styling, and the cinematography. Everything looks perfect, so I'm going to hit Continue with Assets. And here we are. Tunee AI is working as a story director, and now it gives us the storyboard for our music video. The scenes look incredibly consistent with the vibe I wanted, and the character looks badass. Perfect for a theme about taking over the city. Her face looks consistent across all 3 frames, but it'll be interesting to see how the shadows on her face hold up once everything is animated. And hey, note that this is the first step where our credits are actually consumed in this collaborative process. All the conversations and refinements of the vision are completely free until we finalize the concept and start generating. Let's hit Generate Videos from Frames. Alright, the clips have been rendered. Let's check them out.
Sidewalk cracks cold under my stripe. Street lights flicker like they know my name. No map needed, I own this time.
Look at that motion, the way her hair moves, the lighting from the neon signs reflecting off her skin. Those shadows are handled really well once brought into motion. The lip sync is decent, not flawless, so there's still some room for improvement. Now I'm going to hit Create Final Video and see the whole thing put together. The video is finished. Let's see the result of our session.
Sidewalk cracks cold under my stripe. Street lights flicker like they know my name. No map needed, I own this tight. The night's stage and I just claim the frame. Windows darkened, engines hum low, but I'm the spark they didn't see coming. This city's mine tonight. Watch every
That is genuinely cinematic. We went from a text prompt for a song to a high-end music video with a consistent lead character in just a few minutes. No cameras, no actors, and 0 production budget. Remember that cruel truth I mentioned at the start? In a world of infinite scrolling, people listen with their eyes. This video stops the scroll. But wait, here's the real kicker. While the range of artists is great, you aren't just limited to Tunee's artist library. Let's head over to the Artist tab on the left sidebar. In the Artist library, click on Create New, and here you have 3 options. You can upload a reference image of a character, design a character with AI, or clone your twin. I'm going to click the cloning option, and I'm actually going to upload a photo of myself here. And for style, I'll select South Park. Ha ha ha, this should be fun. Hey, that looks awesome. Like that, Tunee analyzes my features, my style, and my overall vibe, and it builds a digital version of me that I can now use in any video I want. Think about how powerful that is. I can have a version of myself starring in these high-end cinematic videos, performing my songs, or doing viral dances, while I'm sitting right here in my room. But it doesn't stop at music videos. Back on the main dashboard, you can see Tunee's entire content suite below the prompt box. First, there's lip sync. This is for those instant performance clips. If you just want your artist to sing a specific 15-second hook for a TikTok teaser, this handles the audio to visual alignment perfectly. Next, you have viral clips. These are 10 to 30-second snippets that are feed-ready. These are video templates optimized specifically for TikTok and Reels algorithms, designed to turn casual listeners into loyal fans. Then there's the dancing video tool. This is huge for trendsetters. It generates trend-style dance shorts with natural motion. You don't need to be a professional dancer. Your virtual artist handles the choreography for you. And finally, the most advanced one, motion control. This lets you transfer video moves. You can actually upload a video of yourself, or any video, and the AI will map those movements onto your virtual character. Alright, that does it. So, what's the verdict? Tunee AI has officially moved beyond being just a music maker. With this update, it's a full-blown virtual artist agency. You have the music agent to craft the soul of the track, and the character studio to build the identity and the high-end video content that social media demands. It takes the nightmare out of content production and puts it on autopilot. It saves you thousands in crew costs, and since the paid plans come with full commercial rights, you actually own the assets you're building. It's professional, it's consistent, and it's yours. So if you're ready to start building your own virtual artist, you can get started right now through my link in the description. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure to click the banner on the homepage to join the Flash MV Challenge. Use my referral code TechZnap to instantly grab 400 free credits. That is enough for a full 1-minute music video. And it gets better. Once you complete that challenge, you'll unlock an additional 500 credits to keep your production going. I can't wait to see the virtual artists and videos you guys cook up with these. So, what kind of virtual artist are you going to build? Let us know. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechZnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button for more AI with TechZnap. We're always watching for the next big tool in the AI music landscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.